my face. Is it true, Joshua? Did you burp a face with a girl? Yes, I did, Dad. So guess what? You know the girl, this game is so annoying. I'm burping a girl's face. Joshua, how many times did I have to tell you? No burping in front of face girl ever again. You're gonna get this is disgusting and get stinky out of breath. Oh, shut the heck up. You being annoying to me, you fat ass.